Now students, we have already read the chapter up till here. So let's continue with our reading. Suddenly, towards evening, a band of robbers swooped down upon them. By the evening, to a band of robbers, a group of robbers, swooped down means they surrounded them or attacked them. Merchants were not fighting men. So merchants जो होते हैं वो लड़ाके नहीं होते हैं, तो they could do nothing but give up their goods and money. So they cannot fight. So they gave their money and goods to the robbers. Well, boy, what have you got? Asked one of the robbers as he pulled Hortense from his horse. तो ऑटेंस को जैसे ही उसने एक रॉबर ने उसके घोड़े से खींच के नीचे लाया, उससे पूछा तुम्हारे पास क्या है? 40 pieces of gold, answered the lad. लड़के, lad means a boy. So Hortense said that I have 40 pieces of gold. मेरे पास 40 pieces of gold है. The robber laughed. He had never heard a boy with so much money as that. तो he laughed. Why? Because उसने कभी सुना ही नहीं था कि इतने छोटे से बच्चे के पास इतना पैसा हो. That is a good story, he said. Where do you carry your gold? It is in my hat underneath the lining, answered Hortense. Answered, जवाब देना. So we will use answered instead of said. It is in my hat underneath the lining, answered Hortense. Lining is a cloth which covered the hat from inside. Oh well, you cannot make me believe that, said the robber, and hurried away to rob one of the rich merchants. So first he said कि ये स्टोरी अच्छी है, तो तुम इतना गोल्ड जो है वो कैरी कहाँ करते हो? सो ऑटेंस ने क्या जवाब दिया? दैट इट इज़ इन माई हैट, मेरी हैट में है, अंडरनीथ द लाइनिंग, अंडरनीथ बीनीथ, अंडर द लाइनिंग. ओ वेल, यू कैन नॉट मेक मी बिलीव दैट, सेड द रॉबर. रॉबर ने क्या कहा? नहीं, तुम मुझे अपनी बात पे यकीन नहीं करवा सकते. और वो एक रिच मर्चेंट को रॉब करने के लिए चल दिया. रॉब, टू स्नैच अवे थिंग्स फ्रॉम समवन. Soon another came up and said, My boy, do you happen to have any gold about you? So another robber came to Hortense and he asked the same questions. Do you have something with you? Yes, 40 pieces in my hat, said Hortense. Again Hortense said the same thing, that I have 40 pieces of gold in my hat. You are a brave lad to be joking with robbers, said the man. And he also hurried on more promising field. So he thought that he is joking. So he said, you are brave, कि तुम बहुत बहादुर. Brave means to the courageous, बहादुर. That you are very brave to be joking with robbers. Robbers के साथ मजाक कर रहे हो जो, that means you are very brave. So and he also hurried away. He also moved to the more promising. Promising means which will definitely give result, positive result. At length the chief of the band called to Hortense and said, you fellow, have you anything worth taking? So now band leader called him and he asked, young fellow, do you have something worth taking? क्या तुम्हारे पास कुछ लेने लायक है? Hortense answered, I have already told 2 of your men and I have 40 pieces of gold in my hat. But they won't believe me. Hortense ने आंसर दिया. Hortense answered that I have told 2 of your men. मैंने 2 आदमियों को ऑलरेडी बता दिया है that I have 40 pieces of gold. मेरे पास 40 pieces of gold है, but they are not believing me. Take off your hat, said the chief. Take off, to remove the hat. तो उसने कहा अपनी हैट निकालो. द बॉय ओबेड. द चीफ टोर मीन्स टू टोर अवे, फाड़ देना, टू रिमूव आउट द लाइनिंग एंड फाउंड द गोल्ड हिडन अंडर बीनीथ. बीनीथ मीन्स अंडर. सो ही तो द चीफ tore the lining and he actually found the gold beneath the hat. Why did you tell us where to find it? He asked. No one would have thought that a child like you had gold about him. So he asked him, why did you tell us? तो किसी को यकीन नहीं होता कि इतने छोटे बच्चे के पास गोल्ड भी हो सकता है. If I had answered your question differently, I should have told a lie, said Hortense, and none but coward tells a lie. तो उसने कहा कि अगर मैंने कुछ अलग गलत जवाब दिया होता, दैट मीन्स मैंने एक झूठ बोला होता, एंड ओनली कावर्ड्स, सिर्फ जो कायर होते हैं वही झूठ बोलते हैं. द रोबर चीफ वॉज स्ट्रक. ही वॉज फोर्स्ड टू थिंक. He was struck by the answer. He thought of the number of times that he himself had been a coward. So he thought how many times he had lied and he had been a coward. Then he said, "You are a brave boy and you may keep your gold. Here it is. Mount your horse and my own men will ride with you and see that you reach the end of your journey in safety." So the band leader said that you are a brave boy. You keep your gold with you. Here it is. ये लो तुम्हारा गोल्ड, अपने पास रखो. Mount your horse means ride your horse. Get up on your horse. And my own men, my own men will ride with you and see that you reach your journey with safety. मीन्स तुम अपनी जर्नी जो है सेफली फिनिश करो. ये मेरे खुद के जो मैन हैं, जो रॉबर्स हैं, दे विल इंश्योर. Hortense in time became one of the famous men of his country. Hortense बड़े होने के बाद अपनी कंट्री का एक फेमस इंसान बना. He was an advisor, the one who gave advices to the minister, and friend of two of the kings who succeeded Cyrus. दो किंग्स जो साइरस के बाद, इस इंसिडेंट के बाद जो दो किंग्स हुए, उनका फ्रेंड और एडवाइज़र बना. सो दिस इज़ द स्टोरी. रीड वेल स्टूडेंट्स. हैव अ गुड डे.